Gold is currently entering a new phase of market structure where the previous downside target has already been achieved, and what makes this moment extremely important is that a fresh resistance zone has now formed, giving traders a completely new level to focus on for the next potential move. Welcome back, traders. Today we are back on gold, and if you missed our previous analysis, you should check the video on this channel. Now let's break down what is happening in the market. As we discussed in our previous analysis, we were focusing on a key flipped resistance level around $4,140. We clearly stated that if price respected that level, we would look for a sell continuation towards $4,025. Now guess what happened, traders? Price never came back to that key resistance zone. Instead, sellers remained fully in control of the market and continued pushing price lower. Not only did the market continue selling, but it also reached and broke below our downside target around $4,025. This confirms that bearish momentum remains strong and that sellers are still dominating the current market structure. Because of this new price action, we now have to shift our attention to a new key level. If you look closely, you can see that the area around $4,025 previously acted as a support zone where price found buying pressure and reacted to the upside. However, after the recent breakdown, that support has now been broken and flipped into resistance. This is a very important structural change because broken support often becomes future resistance, especially when the market is trending strongly to the downside. That is why the key flipped resistance level around $4,025 is now our main key level to watch on gold. Now here is exactly what I am watching moving forward. If price comes back to this key flipped resistance level around $4,025, respects it, and gives us a clear bearish candlestick confirmation, then we are going to look for a sell continuation, targeting a move down towards $3,911. On the other hand, if price breaks above this level with strong bullish momentum, then the structure will shift. That resistance will turn back into support, and in that case, we will wait for a clean retest of the broken level before looking for a buy setup targeting a move back towards $4,140. Market psychology. Insight: when a major target is achieved and the market continues moving beyond it, traders should avoid chasing price and instead focus on the next flipped structure level where fresh opportunities are most likely to appear. So to summarize everything clearly, the previous downside target has already been achieved and the key flipped resistance level around $4,025 is now our main key level to watch on gold. If price respects it, we look for a sell continuation towards $3,911. If price breaks above it and successfully retests it as support, we look for a buy continuation towards $4,140. Now, traders, the question is this: will gold respect this new resistance level and continue the bearish trend, or are buyers preparing a breakout that could trigger a larger recovery move? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Alright, traders, that is everything on gold for today. Stay sharp, stay disciplined, and always let the market confirm your next move. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.